In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels effectively. Labels in Gmail are a powerful tool to help you keep your inbox organized and manage your emails with ease. Whether you're dealing with a flood of daily messages or just want to keep everything tidy, labels can be a game changer. We'll walk through how to create, apply, and customize these labels, ensuring your Gmail experience is smooth and efficient. Let's begin with creating a label. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, look to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a panel with your main folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Scroll down this list until you see More and click on it. As you do this, a drop-down will appear. In this drop-down menu, find the option that says Create New Label. When you click on this, a small window will pop up. Here, you can name your label whatever you'd like. Try to choose a name that's descriptive enough to remind you of its purpose, whether it's work projects, personal, or follow-up. Once you've named your label, click Create. Now that you have a label, it's time to start applying it to emails. In your inbox, select an email by clicking the checkbox next to it. Once selected, look up to the top of your inbox where you see icons for various actions like archive and trash. One of these icons looks like a label. It might even say labels when you hover over it. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the labels you've created. Simply check the box next to the one you want to apply. If you'd like, you can apply multiple labels to a single email, which is a fantastic way to cross-categorize messages that relate to several topics. Let's move on to customizing your labels. Go back to the left panel where all your folders and labels are listed. Locate the label you want to adjust, hover over it, and click on the 3 vertical dots that appear. Here, you have options to customize the label's color, make it nested under another label, or even remove it. Assigning distinct colors to different labels can help you visually identify them faster in your inbox. For instance, you might choose red for urgent tasks and green for completed ones. Finally, if you ever need to modify or delete a label, go back to the Labels section on the left panel. Next to any label, click those 3 dots again and choose Edit or Remove. Editing allows you to rename or nest the label, while removing it will take away the label from any emails but won't delete the emails themselves. And there you have it. By using labels, you're not just tidying up your inbox, you're creating an incredibly efficient workflow tailored to your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to start using labels today to see the difference it can make in managing your email chaos.